So overnight we've had a lot of rain. I mean, torrential rain overnight, torrential rain this morning, even since I've got up and I'm off to my first lesson. But this rain will cause problems. If we've had a dry spell, then unfortunately the soil doesn't absorb it, so then you can get a lot of water on the road. See here where the potholes are. Some of these potholes there will be full of water. But the reason I thought I'd do this recording is because normally on this bend we will get the flood. So can you see how this is starting? So this is my problem, not the cars coming the other way. So I need to come into it very carefully to make sure that it's safe to go around. So can you imagine if that car that's just coming towards us now had arrived about another 4 or 5 seconds earlier, I would have either had to slow right down to go through the puddle, but then obviously I need to be careful depending on how deep it is, or I would have to wait for the oncoming car to go past it so that I could then go round it. So be very careful on days like today where you get a lot of surface water. Big potholes are disguised by the water so they look like puddles. If you drive through one of those, you could damage your tyres, your wheels, your suspension, so be very careful. And also watch out today, because wherever you've got the puddles like this, they do not mix pedestrians, and it is an offence to splash a pedestrian. So keep a lookout for pedestrians on wet days like today, so that you can already plan how you're going to avoid going through that puddle. So look at the flood here, look. So I've got one here on the left, but look at this one. Whoever owns that car will be putting their armbands on and swimming to that one.
I hope you found our short video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to see some more videos to help you along your learner driver journey.